Frame Wallet app, the pros, the cons. The Frame Wallet app has been gaining attention as a modern Ethereum wallet that's both elegant and powerful. But is it really the future of web wallets, or just another flashy interface? Let's explore the pros, the cons, and the surprising truth about Frame. Let's start with the pros. Frame is built as a desktop Ethereum wallet and system tray application, meaning it runs locally on your device, giving you direct control over your private keys. Unlike browser-based wallets, it doesn't rely on extensions that can be vulnerable to phishing attacks. One of its biggest strengths is security. Frame integrates with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, keeping your keys safely offline while you interact with decentralized apps. That means you get the flexibility of MetaMask, but with a stronger security backbone. Frame is also open source, which adds transparency. Developers and users alike can inspect the code, ensuring there are no hidden risks for data collection happening behind the scenes. Another big plus, Frame supports multiple Ethereum networks, including mainnet, testnets, and custom chains like Polygon and Arbitrum. It's especially popular among developers and advanced DeFi users who frequently switch between environments. However, there are some cons to keep in mind. First, Frame is desktop only for now, which might not suit mobile users who want wallet access on the go. Another drawback is that it's not as beginner-friendly as wallets like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. The interface is sleek, but assumes a certain level of blockchain knowledge, which might be intimidating to newcomers. And since Frame is still relatively new and evolving, it doesn't yet have the massive user base or broad integration that more established wallets enjoy. In conclusion, the Frame Wallet app combines privacy, power, and next-generation web design. The surprising truth? It's one of the most secure and forward-thinking Ethereum wallets available, but best suited for users who want total control and don't mind a slightly steeper learning curve.